Alright, busy dads, gonna do a nice 5-minute morning workout. Just need your dumbbells for this. I've got light ones just to show you the moves. We're gonna be doing some compound exercises, so we're gonna hit multiple muscles at the same time. Yeah, hope you're ready. Let's go. This one is great for your legs and your arms. Switch legs as well, want them. Obviously we'd recommend it, you don't want to get one side of your body really muscular. Alright, it's nice and easy first move. Now we're going to do some squats with overhead press. So again, this will do your legs, and it's going to do your shoulders at the same time. Hope you're ready. Here we go. Go down, up, to the press, and back down. Squat, up, press, and down, up, and press. Again, this is good full body, especially for your legs and your shoulders. That's it. Not long to go. Got about 5 seconds left. Let's get one more in. Like that. Yeah. Oh, doing really well. It's a good start. And now we're going to do some hammer curls with some front punches as well. Again, this is a really good one for your arms and your shoulders as you do the punch. Obviously, holding dumbbells, really going to add to it. So let's go. Hammer curl, forward punch and back. Hammer curl, forward punch and back. Hammer curl. Especially because we're adding the wrist twist in there. If you don't know, when you twist your wrist doing any bicep exercises, adds to it. So yeah, really good. Come on. Right, 10 seconds left, guys, come on. 5 seconds left, come on. Maybe get 2 more in. 1 more, okay. Alright, we've got 2 more exercises to go. This one now is one of my favorites. We're gonna do squats with the front raise, lateral front raise. This is really good again for your shoulders and your legs. And you're going to hit both of them at the same time, so you're really going to feel this one. Hope you're ready for this. So, alright. Oh. This is a really intense one. Ooh. One more. There we go. All right. Well done. That one's not easy. All right. Last move now. We'll do RDL into a rear delt fly. So again, this is good for legs, glutes, a bit of back and shoulder as well. So back up. You go down for the RDL, like that, and then bring it back up. And go back down again. And we did right. Bring it back up. That's it. Back up. And we've got 10 seconds left. Sorry, now we've got 10 seconds left. You can fit one more in. Or not. That's time. Well done, guys. Really well done. That's a nice 5-minute exercise using the dumbbells. You can hit multiple muscle groups at the same time. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. See you in the next one.